oak trees grow in these really knobbly, weird shapes. Um, like, like these branches here. And this one. Look at this going off over there. And there's no kind of order to it. And quite often the branches are all over one side. And you think, well, how does the tree balance like that? And yeah, so this one here, the whole tree is hanging that way. This branch is going there, the top is hanging over there. So how does it stay up? They're always quite extraordinary. They seem to defy gravity, especially when they grow on cliffs. But they are a very beautiful tree, and the way they grow is really extraordinary.